How are forgotten woodcut printing techniques used today? Imagine a time when artists carved images into blocks of wood by hand, then pressed inked surfaces onto paper to create bold, striking images. That's the essence of woodcut printing, one of the oldest printmaking methods. It started in Asia thousands of years ago and spread to Europe, becoming a popular way to produce images before modern printing presses. Over the years, newer methods like digital printing took over for mass production, but the craft of woodcut has never truly disappeared. Today, artists are bringing these old techniques back to life in fresh ways. Some are using traditional tools like gouges and knives to carve detailed images into wood blocks, which can be quite large, sometimes as big as a meter tall, and take days to complete. They then ink the raised surfaces and press them onto paper or fabric, often creating limited editions of their work. These prints can cost anywhere from $20 to several $100s, depending on the size and complexity. Artists also experiment with multi-block printing, where they carve different parts of an image into separate blocks and print them in layers to produce vibrant, multicolored images. This process can take several weeks to complete, as each layer must dry before the next is added. Some artists incorporate woodcut into mixed media projects, combining it with painting, collage, or digital art to add texture and depth. In Japan, the tradition of woodblock printing, especially in the style called Ukiyoe, still influences contemporary artists. They often study the old techniques, using traditional tools like chisels and rice paper, but also blend digital design with hand carving to create new works. In Europe and North America, woodcut has experienced periodic revivals. For example, during the early 20th century, German expressionists used bold, graphic lines to express emotion and social commentary. Today, many art schools teach basic woodcut techniques, ensuring new generations learn the craft. Community workshops are popular too, where beginners can carve simple images and produce their own prints. Countries like China and Mexico keep traditional woodcut practices alive, often using local motifs and stories to connect past and present. Some artists use woodcut for social or political messages, creating posters or protest art that carry powerful visual statements. The process is accessible, requiring only simple tools like gouges, ink, and blocks, making it perfect for educational settings and community projects. Terms like relief printing describe the process of printing from a raised surface, while a key block is the main carving used for outlines in multi-block prints. Understanding these helps artists make better choices in their work. Although it's no longer the main method for mass printing, woodcut remains a lively and adaptable art form. Artists around the world continue to explore its possibilities, blending old techniques with new ideas. This ongoing interest keeps the tradition alive, proving that even forgotten methods can find new life in today's art scene.